Hello everyone, I am Monica Singroa. I would advise to take out the printouts of this reading and then practice with me. Thank you. Cambridge IELTS 9. From this book we are going to do another reading, that is this is the reading we are going to do in the next 15-20 minutes. Okay. This is test A. This has section 1. Of course, GT reading has been divided into two sections. This is reading passage 1. Actually, this is reading passage 1, section 1, questions from 1 to 14, and this kind of paragraphs, this kind of small things we have, like for A, this is the information, for B, this is the information, for C, this is the information, like we have. Let's go to the question department and the another page for this. Here is the another page for this. Now let's go to the question. Which type of question we have to do for this reading? Okay, let's read it first. Okay, here it is saying questions 1 to 6. Look at the 7 job advertisements. These were the job advertisements, because there is no title here, so how will we come to know that this is the job advertisement? Okay, let's do it. A to G on page 104 and read the descriptions of the people below. Okay, read the descriptions of the people below. Okay, which is the most suitable job for each person? Which is the most suitable job for each person? Basically, they just wanted to say find the information. This is the question. Find the information from the following paragraphs from A to G. Sorry. Okay, let's read it. Write the correct letter A to G in boxes 1 to 6 on the answer sheet. Please mind it, always write your answer in the answer sheet only, not on the question paper. Or you can transfer your answers after finishing one reading passage. Side by side you should do it. You should not avoid this. Okay, let's read the first question. A person with 2 small children, okay, who wants a few hours, because now here it is job advertisement. Now we will be looking for the important words relating to the job only. With 2 small children who wants a few hours a week of unskilled work in the early mornings. Few hours a week he wants a job in the early mornings. And next is a person with no experience or qualification who is looking for a short-term full-time job from Monday to Friday. He wants this job with no experience. He doesn't have any experience or qualification, who is looking for a short-term full-time job. Full-time job means 9 to 5 or 9 to 10. Third is a lively student with no experience. A lively student, this is important word, with no experience. Again, he is without experience, who cannot work on weekdays. Now, who cannot work on weekdays, it means he can work for weekends, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, he can work for the weekends only. Next is, fourth is a person with more than 20 years. A person with more than 20 years experience in catering. He has more than 20 years experience in catering. Catering means food, restaurants and all. Who would like to run a business? Okay, they are talking about who would like to run a business. Fifth is a catering college graduate. Catering, again relation to food business and all. Who a chef, he might be a chef who is now looking for his first full-time job. He must be looking for the restaurant job or hotel job. A person with many years experience working in hotels, who is now looking for well paid part-time employment in a hotel. Now he is looking for part-time job. Now we have already gone through all of all the questions here from 1 to 6. Let's go to the paragraphs. Okay, the first question was a person with small children who wants a few hours a week. Okay, few hours a week and unskilled work in the early mornings. For this we will be reading one by one and find the answers from the questions. First is saying help snack bar serving person, brightly friendly experience, not essential. Experience not is essential here means no qualification, no experience is required. Energy and enthusiasm and absolute must Saturday and Sunday only. Yes, 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 yes. There was a person here who want to work. Yes, here. Yes, who want to work on weekdays. A lively student with no experience who cannot work on weekdays. It means an absolute must Saturday and Sunday. Must Saturday and Sunday. Yes, he is the person. He want to work for Saturday and Sunday, not on weekdays. He is a lively person means he is having energy and enthusiasm. So this is the answer for A. We will be writing the answer here. Sorry, for third question we will be writing the option here A. Let's cut it from the list. Okay, now the B paragraph. Now the B paragraph is Granta Hotel requires a part-time silver service waiter or waitress. Only applicants with experience and good references need apply. Excellent wages. Okay, yes, wages, meals on duty. Here part-time job silver. Yes, 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 part-time and excellent wages in the end what they were saying, who is now looking for well paid part-time employment in a hotel with many years experience. Yes, for B, yes, it is perfectly matching. For B it is 6. Now cut it from the list also. Now go to the, let's read the C paragraph. Wanted from January till July. Okay, a nanny carer for Toby, 2 years, formal qualification not as important as a sensible woman imaginative approach. Okay, here formal qualification is not required and references required. Non-smoker, basically wanted from January till July. Okay, let's read any other question. A person with 2 small children who wants a skilled work. Okay, person with no experience or qualification who is looking for short term full-time job Monday to Friday. Yes, Monday to Friday is also here. Who is looking for a short term job, short term but full time from 8:30 to 5. Yes, for this is the answer. For second it is the C. Yes, we will be writing here C because there it is given no experience or qualification. Here it is given formal qualification is not important. Who is looking for a short here is from January to July and from full time 8:30 to 5. It means this is the matching statement, so it is C. Let's go to the the other passage D. Let's go to the D one. Okay, let's read the D paragraph. Cleaner required for 12th floor modern office block in the Station Road area, 2 hours per day. Okay, Monday to Fridays to finish work before the office is open. Office is opens at 9 or 10. So the and without any Monday to Friday for 2 hours only. Okay, let's go to the question. Here it was written like yes. A person with 2 small children who wants a few hours a week of unskilled work in the early mornings. Yes, for this we will be writing here D. In the early morning he wants a work for few hours because it was given work for before the office opens. Okay, now let's go to the E paragraph. Mature, experienced administrator, secretary for soft furnishing company working within the hotel industry. Okay, hotel industry. Hours 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. Yes, there was a person who was looking for this kind of job. Okay, thus we have done first, second, third and fourth. Now we have left with 2 statements. A person with more than 20 years experience in catering who would like to run a business. No, it was not explaining any to run business. Fifth is catering college graduate who is now looking for his first time job. No. Let's go to the another paragraph, that is F. F is full time cook for a new and exciting cafe venture. Good conditions. Pay and hours can be negotiated. Apply Red Cafe. Full time cook for a new and exciting cafe venture. Good conditions can be negotiated. Okay, let's go to it. Let's read the questions again. A person with more than 20 years experience in catering who would like to run a business. No. A catering college graduate who is now looking for his first full-time job. Yes, it suits him. We can write here F. It's the F paragraph is suiting it. It suits to this paragraph. Full-time cook job. Yes. For a new and exciting cafe venture. Good conditions, pay and hours can be negotiated. Okay, let's go to the G paragraph. 50-seater restaurant to let. It means it is not occupied. Ideal for very experienced person looking to start up their own. Okay, yes, it was in the question. Who would like to run their business? Yes, it is the perfect for a person with more than 20 years experience in catering who would like to run a business. Yes, for this we will be writing G option. Okay. Now the section 2 for the same reading from questions from 7 to 14. In section 1 we had done 1 to 6 questions. Now here it is intercity sleeper between London and Scotland. This is the picture on the reading. Okay. The paragraph has been divided into paragraphs like from A to G. From A to G, that is here, like from A to G. And now let's look at the questions, or we can directly start reading the paragraphs. But before that, you should read this but very fastly. Most tickets may be used for travel by sleeper subject to availability reservation in a 2 except in case which includes sleeper reservation in the fare. The price includes every morning tea or coffee, biscuit, continental or hot, and choose from a range of tickets to suit your journey. First is Super PAX, Apex, Super Saver, D is Saver, G is standard, and F is special, and this is solo. Okay, let's go to the questions. Let's read it one by one. These are the instructions from here to here. Look at the 7 types of train ticket from A to G on page. Okay, for which type of train ticket are the following statements true? Yes, it means and here NB is written over here. You may use any letter more than once. It means it is confirmed you will be using one letter out of this twice for these questions from 7 to 14. Okay, here the questions type of question is find the information from the passages. Okay, sorry, from the paragraphs. Let's read it one by one. There are advantages if you book a journey with a friend. Okay, there are advantages if you book a journey with a friend. With a friend is important. You cannot use this on a Friday. I am reading the questions once in order to find the answers from the paragraph and finding out the keywords for matching the statement with the paragraphs. Okay, you cannot use this on a Friday. Okay, special, this is the special thing you cannot use on a Friday. This can be used without restrictions. Okay, this must be a flexible thing. This ticket, they are talking about the ticket. This can be used without restriction. This can only be booked up to 7 days before departure. It means they must be talking about some weekdays, some week or so. Week. Okay, it is the cheapest ticket. Okay, cheapest ticket available, but there is a restriction on departure time. Okay, cheapest but restrictions. If you decide not to travel after you have bought the ticket, you cannot get your money back. Okay, money back, ticket money is not refundable. Okay, this is not available if you are traveling out on a Monday and back the next day. This is not available if you are traveling out on a Monday and back the next day. Okay, you cannot use this ticket for departures between midnight and 10 a.m. You cannot use this ticket for departures between midnight and 10 a.m. Okay, let's go to the paragraph. First paragraph, Super Apex only available for travel after 9 a.m. Book at least 2 weeks ahead and travel between Edinburgh and or Glasgow, London for the unbeatable price of this thing. This ticket is non-refundable unless the service is cancelled. Yes, I got the answer. Yes, here it is saying if you decide not to travel after you have bought a ticket, you cannot get your money back. Yes, for this we will be writing the A paragraph. Okay, let's move on to the next. Now this is B, a real bargain fare. Okay, real bargain fare only Euro 69 return between Edinburgh or Glasgow or London. Great value sleeper travel available by booking at least a week before outward travel. Ticket refundable on payment. Okay, yes, at least a week. Week is 7 days before the travel. Yes, I got the. Yes, 10th is this can only be booked up to 7 days before departure. As I told you, they must be talking about week. So the answer is where we can write it is B. For this we can write here B. C paragraph, available right up to the day of travel and valid any day except these peak days, all Fridays. Also March, and departures between midnight and 2 a.m. count as previous day's departure London to this thing. Okay, available up to day of travel except these peak days. Yes, Fridays, all Fridays. Let's look at the question. Yes, let's read it. 7th, there are advantages if you book a journey with a friend. No, nothing was explained, nothing was given about friend. You cannot use this on. Yes, Friday. Yes, they are talking about you can use except all Fridays. It means the answer is C. Answer is C. Okay, let's cut it from the list. B also as well as 12th also. Let's go to the D paragraph. This flexible ticket is valid every day, okay, and can be bought on the day of travel. Your ticket allows standard class travel on any train between 10 a.m. and midnight. Yes, it was given. Travel on any train between 10 a.m. and midnight. No seat reservation and all. Let's go to the questions. Now we have done with 8th, 10th and 12th. Now let's read. No, there is no description about a friend. 9th, without restriction, and it is the cheapest ticket. There is a restriction on departure time. 12th, 13th is this is not available if you are traveling out on Monday and back the next day. No, you cannot use this ticket for departures between, okay, yes, midnight and 10 a.m. Yes, you cannot use this ticket for departures between midnight and 10 a.m. Let's go to the D. Yes, it is clearly saying your ticket allows standard class travel on any train between 10 a.m. and midnight. Yes, this is the matching for the 14th question. Yes, this is D paragraph. Let's cut it from the list. Now we have left with 7, 9, 11 and A. Of course, we have to keep in mind one letter will come here twice. Okay, let's go to the E paragraph. Treat yourself and enjoy exclusive use of a standard cabin. Solo is an inclusive return travel ticket with sleeper reservation, one or both direction. Outward and return reservation should be made at the time of the journey. Must include dash and dash. Okay, what he is saying. Treat yourself and enjoy exclusive use of a standard cabin. So inclusive return travel ticket with sleeper reservation. Okay, outward and return reservation should be made at the time of booking. Okay. Must include a Saturday night away. Okay, let's go to the question. Yes, friend, no. Without restriction, no. Cheapest ticket available, but there is a restriction on departure time. Nothing is explaining about cheapest. If you decide not to travel, okay, sorry, this is not the option. This is not available if you are traveling out on Monday and back the next day. Yes, here in the paragraph it was saying you can use this ticket on Saturdays. So answer will come here E. For 13th it is E. Let's go to the next paragraph. Special is an inclusive return travel package for two people. Yes, now must be talking about friend, including sleeper reservations for one or both direction. It can mean saving for both of you. Let's go to the question. Yes, for this we will be writing there are advantages if you book a journey with a friend. In the paragraph it was written two people. So the answer is F paragraph. Now cut it from the list of options. Now we have left with 9th and 13th. Of course 11th also. Okay, let's go to the. Now what does F paragraph saying? F we have done. Not the cheapest option. It is not the cheapest option, okay, but available up to the time of travel and valid for all trains and at all times. You are advised to turn up early for travel on Fridays. Okay, let's go to the question. Now what is the question saying? Now we have left with 9th and 11th only. This can be used without restriction. Yes, it is perfectly matching. What? This is G, because there is no restriction on travels and all and timing also, but they are saying just come advance for traveling on Fridays because there will be more rush. Okay, now we have done also. Now we have left with 11th. It means any letter from here it will come twice. Let's go to find it. Let's read it again. It is the cheapest ticket available, but there is a restriction on departure time. Okay, but F paragraph was saying it is not the cheapest ticket. Let's go to the read again another paragraph. Let's find it. In other words, let's read it. Only available for travel after 9 am. Book at the 2 weeks ahead. Travel between London for the unbeatable price of this thing. Yes, I had missed out this thing while reading the A paragraph. I was about to read all the paragraphs again for finding this answer. Or if you don't have time, please leave it. You just take it as a guess. But I was trying to read it again. Suddenly I found this answer. For the answer is, for A is, again we will be writing. Yes, for 11th it is the cheapest ticket available, but there is a restriction on departure time. Then again A will come. Here A will come. Okay, in this way we have completed this reading passage 1. Thank you so much.